In prime time news this evening, fresh concerns about the Rio Cobre. NEPA insists it's not another chemical spill. Electricity bills going up as JPS gets a rate increase. And most Jamaicans want buggery to remain a criminal offense.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, we have the top business stories of the day. Here's Javon Keys with the preview.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited saw a decline in profit. We'll have that and much more in the business day.
All right, thanks, Javon. And Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's coming up in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, the Reggae Boys were involved in a friendly international today. We have some feedback from the technical staff, and we have the outcome of a poll on the Reggae Girls as well. All of that and more in the major package coming up later this evening.
We're definitely looking forward to that. And we also have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you make of the decision to grant JPS a small rate increase?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.